Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your alias in the Vivino app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu like this. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the profile icon, then we tap on settings, and here in settings we find alias. We can set this to whatever we want to, and I don't know, for example, we would set this to James, tap on OK, and then it's updated, and then we are going to be displayed like so. This will be our alias, our nickname basically. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.